À tous de DDO, attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage ESR et décollage. Propulsion nominale, le pilotage est calme. La trajectoire est nominale. Pilotage calme. La trajectoire est calme, les paramètres à bord sont nominaux.
The next 32 satellites.
Propulsion nominale.
The next 32 satellites for
Pilotage
Amazon
calme.
Leo have started their journey on board the first Ariane 6 with 4 boosters. Wow, and that was a
La
beautiful
trajectoire est
launch.
nominale, les
What a
paramètres à bord sont nominaux.
Magnificent liftoff. We can hear Ariane 6 passing by and feel the walls shaking. Wow.
It's taken just around a minute and a half for the sound to get to us.
How powerful that was.
Looking here
Pilotage
at
calme.
the coast of the Amazon rainforest, the coast of French Guiana moving away from us, those are the onboard cameras. I'm guessing that's the river Kourou, that line on the land that we can see. You can see the clouds moving away behind us. We are burning 5 engines. We ignited them all on the ground, but the boosters are doing all the work for us right now, aren't they?
Most of the work, yeah, indeed, as you said. So remember that the weight of the launcher was 870 tons on ground, and so 90% of the thrust is delivered by the boosters. They'll burn 142 tons in 2 minutes 25 seconds. So we are actually burning 4 tons of propellant each second now.
Séparation des ESR.
And we just had confirmation of the boosters separation.
We're seeing the images from the live cameras a few seconds later, and that's perfectly normal. That's for technical reasons. But look, that's how it looks. And they're falling away in perfect formation.
Yeah, and this is to be precisely set and analyzed and checked because, of course, you need the boosters to be jettisoned quite quickly, but not well in a measured way to avoid any collision, any risk. Wow, nice shot from the onboard cameras.
Our planet Earth. And the next big moment on the left-hand side of your screen, you can see the events coming up, will be the jettisoning of the fairing. That's the nose cone, if you like, of the rocket,
Séparation des
which is
coiffes.
protecting our satellites. And we've had confirmation that that's now been separated. We'll see the images, hopefully, on the camera.
So it was long fairing today, first flight for these two halves, 20 meters. Whoa, you can see the fairing being jettisoned here.
And you can see how it flexes as it falls. That's all part of the plan.
Yes, indeed, and that's a beautiful movement, but it's due to the fact that it's designed to be as light as possible, but of course, when separated, the loads are pushing it and it's being deformed due to its stiffness. This creates this movement, what we call a breathing mode. Nice breathing mode here. All designed to sustain that, of course.
Our altitude, 161 kilometers down at the bottom of the screen there. Our distance from the pad and our speed, vitesse is the French word for speed. At the moment, we're traveling at nearly 3 kilometers per second, everybody, per second. And the range operations manager is telling us that everything is going well and everything is going according to plan.
Extinction Vulcain et fin de mission sauvegarde.
And we have confirmation there that the
Indeed, yeah.
Séparation
engine is switched
LLPM.
off.
It was just then confirmed that the main stage has been separated as well.
Allumage du moteur 20.
And I'm so sorry to interrupt you.
No, and I was to say that the Vinci engine has been fired up, and you can see from the onboard camera the separation of the main stage. Wow, it looks amazing. This again is a very precise step of the flight, and a very key step where you need this stage to be separated gently but quickly enough to ensure the Vinci can fire up.
It looks easy, but actually what's happening up there is unbelievably carefully planned. It's the result of
Tous les paramètres à bord sont nominaux.
very clever brains. And there he's telling us that everything is going normally. So the upper stage is now in charge. We can't actually see it on these shots, but Aaron, I kind of like to think of it as an orbital bus driver, because its job is to deliver our passengers to lots of different bus stops in space.
Again, another handy analogy. Yes, it's the bus driver. Everyone's not getting off at the same stop, but they're all headed in that direction.
Really important. It's a very good sign. This is the first major step in reaching the desired orbit. So we are now coasting without the engine. We're in what we call the ballistic phase. That means what, traveling without propulsion?
Yes, indeed. We are on what we call an intermediate orbit. It's kind of an oval shape orbit, an ellipse. And the closest point of it to the Earth, to the ground, is 150 kilometers high, and the furthest point is 465 kilometers. So we'll use that velocity to climb the orbit to go to the furthest point, and this will take us around 52 minutes to climb that stair, if you want.
Orbite atteinte correcte. La propulsion est nominale.